5 deadliest animals to avoid while collecting wood in Australia. Venturing into Australia's bush can be both exhilarating and perilous. Known for its vast landscapes and rich biodiversity, Australia is home to some of the deadliest creatures. Before you embark on your journey to gather wood, arm yourself with crucial information to stay safe and aware. Australia is famous for its numerous venomous snake species. From the intimidating eastern brown snake to the elusive inland taipan, these creatures command respect. Observe your surroundings and make noise as you walk to alert snakes of your presence, allowing both you and the snakes to keep a safe distance. Spiders can be found lurking in the shadows under rocks and logs. The fearsome funnel web and the deadly redback pose significant threats. Wear gloves and use long-handled tools when moving wood or debris to minimize contact. Safe practices can prevent unexpected encounters with these arachnids. Australia's aggressive ants, like the bulldog ant, pack a powerful sting. When searching for wood, be vigilant and avoid disturbing their nests. Look for telltale movement on the ground and listen for rustling leaves. Steer clear if you spot any, as these ants will fiercely defend their territory. While bees are generally peaceful, certain species can become aggressive if provoked. Keep an eye out for hives or swarms in trees and wood piles. If you encounter bees, remain calm and move away slowly to avoid triggering an alarm response. Respect their space to avoid unwanted stings. Centipedes, with their many legs, can deliver painful bites. Often hidden under logs and rocks, they can surprise the unprepared. Wear sturdy shoes and avoid putting your hands into dark recesses. By staying vigilant, you can prevent painful encounters with these well-camouflaged creatures. Thank you for watching. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting and informative wildlife content. Let's spread awareness and stay safe together while exploring the wonders of nature.